Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert any of the type of file format to any of the file format you want easily online without even signing on anywhere for free. Now in order to achieve it, just simply open any of the browser over any platform you have. For example, if I open the Chrome browser, and here you need to search for online converter. Just simply hit online converter, nothing else. Once you do that, you can see this first website which is onlineconverter.com. Just simply go over there, and here you can see multiple things you can convert from to. You can see they have the audio converter, they have the documents converter, software converter, and even the video converters, hash generators, and image converters as well. Now you can use this to convert any of the file format to any of the file format you want for free. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.